I've been seeing these dried orange garlands everywhere this holiday season, so I thought that I'd just make a quick little DIY video and show you guys how I made some of mine. So all you need are 2 to 4 oranges. I used some hemp string, or you can use any type of string you want, some scissors. I used real pine branches, some craft paper, and some glitter if you want, and you can add anything that you want onto these garlands. So when you're slicing your oranges, you want to make sure that the slices are as thin as possible because they'll dry out quicker. And then I dried my slices out in the oven at 240 degrees for around 2 hours. You'll want to check on them to make sure that they're dried out all the way before you pull them out. So the first thing I'm doing is just cutting tiny little twigs off of this pine branch and just making a pile of them so that I can choose the right sizes to put on my garland. Next, I got my hemp string and cut a piece as long as I wanted my garland to be, and I actually tied a little knot like this in the end to make sure that I knew where the end of the garland was, so that just in case it wasn't long enough, I could untie that little knot and make it longer. So in order to thread the string through the orange slices, I've just poked 2 holes in the top of each slice of the orange and threaded the string through like this so that it turned out to look like this. And then I did that with the rest of my oranges and kind of spaced them out evenly. And then to string the oranges on, I put some hot glue on the end and let it dry, and this made it a lot easier for the string to go through the orange slices. When I was putting these twigs on, at first I was tying little knots, but that didn't turn out to be the easiest way to do this, so I just ended up hot gluing the back of each of the twigs right onto the string, and that worked out pretty well. Next, I wanted to add some craft paper stars onto this garland, so I just kind of cut out some stars, and once I got a star shape that I really liked, I just cut a bunch of those and used it as a template. I really wanted to use this glitter I got from the Target dollar section, but it turned out that I didn't have the right glue for it. I only had a hot glue gun and it didn't really stick that well or look very nice. I thought it would be cute, but it didn't turn out how I hoped, which is okay. I wish I had a glue stick because I think that would have worked better. So if you have one, maybe you could try this. And then lastly, to put all the craft paper stars on, I just kind of laid out the whole garland on the ground and hot glued the backs of each star to the string in places that I liked. I ended up putting this one right under our TV where I kind of have this little snowy, Christmassy miniature scene here, and I think it looks really cute just with everything together. I got some of these little sparkly trees from the Target dollar section as well, and I actually got these little miniatures from the thrift store. I also made a couple other different orange garlands for other places in our house, like above the kitchen sink here in the window, and just did a really simple one here with 2 twigs on the end of each side. And then one for above our bed with some little twinkle lights on them and some of these sparkly snowflake ornaments, which I thought was kind of cute. So you can make these however you want, add whatever you want on them. A great place to look for inspiration is on Instagram or Pinterest. I saw so many cute ideas on what to add on to these, so just have fun with it and hope that you enjoy watching. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little Christmas DIY, and I will see you very soon. Happy holidays.